Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. OppLoans offers access to credit for those who might not qualify for traditional loans. Their website, located at www.OppLoans.com, serves as a platform for individuals seeking financial assistance. OppLoans specializes in providing installment loans, which offer a structured repayment plan with fixed monthly payments. This predictable schedule allows borrowers to budget effectively and manage their finances responsibly. They understand that unexpected expenses and life events can happen, and their aim is to provide a lending option that can help individuals bridge financial gaps. The application process is designed to be straightforward and convenient, accessible entirely online. Potential borrowers can apply from the comfort of their homes or on the go, saving time and effort. OppLoans emphasizes transparency in its lending practices, clearly outlining terms and conditions. This commitment to clear communication helps borrowers make informed decisions about their financial future. They strive to provide a supportive and helpful customer service experience, assisting borrowers throughout the loan process. While OppLoans seeks to provide lending solutions for those facing financial challenges, it's essential for potential borrowers to carefully consider the terms and associated costs before committing to a loan. It's always advisable to explore all available options and make an informed decision based on individual financial circumstances. OppLoans focuses on providing financial access and education, empowering individuals to take control of their financial well-being. Through their online resources and customer support, they aim to promote financial literacy and responsible borrowing. They emphasize the importance of understanding the terms and conditions of any loan agreement and encourage borrowers to contact them with any questions or concerns. Borrowing responsibly is key, and OppLoans aims to support borrowers in making sound financial choices. Remember to visit www.OppLoans.com for more information and to begin the application process.